What is up, all you beautiful credit repair business owners? If you have those marketers, gurus, mentors, coaches, consultants telling you that you need to run paid ads in order to get more credit repair clients, let me tell you something that they're absolutely wrong. You don't need to spend a single dollar in order to get credit repair clients. And the way we do this is a simple 3-step process by making you become that instant authority figure, making you become that trustworthy go-to credit repair company that people are just begging you for your services. And let me tell you a little secret. This allows you to charge a whole lot more when people come to you. Wade, how do you do this? Simple 3-step process, like I said. First, you need to optimize your social media presence. When you actually drive traffic to your page, it becomes a powerful lead trap and just gets you more clients just like that. Because like I said, it's a powerful lead trap that just grabs those people, converts them into pre-qualified scheduled appointments and confirmed scheduled appointments, so that these people are a lot easier to close to as well because they came to you. Second step is you need to be able to drive traffic to your social media platforms. And how do we do this? Well, quite simply stated, you need to be active on your social media. So Instagram, Facebook, and my favorite, YouTube. Oh my gosh, YouTube is such a money maker. YouTube is so underestimated because yeah, it takes some work. Yeah, you have to hop in front of a camera just like this, but let me tell you how powerful YouTube is really quick. I was working with this credit repair company, I was coaching them. They just started, they made their second YouTube video. And by the second YouTube video, guess what? They sold 3 courses, each $500 each, and 2 done for you services, which is a lifetime value of their clients was around $700 off of 2 YouTube videos. And they weren't really scripted. Like this right now I'm going off of is just bullet points. The thing is, most people don't have the confidence to hop in front of the video, but realistically, after you film that first video and after you see that first check come in, I guarantee you, confidence will not be a problem. Third step is actually making that money. So you need to have systems in place that allows you to convert those clients, convert those people into more clients. So what I'm trying to say is the first step is optimizing your social media presence. The second step is becoming an authority figure by utilizing your social media and to drive traffic. And the third step is to close these clients. And actually, I mean, they're a lot easier to close because these people come to you. These bugs are attacking me. But what I'm trying to say is the third step is making money. Guys, that's my secret 3-step system. And if you're interested, guys, in the link down below, click the little bit.ly link because I want to offer you all these things for only $47. So what I want to give you is I want to give you my powerful credit repair blueprint that, like I said, will teach you exactly how to optimize your social media presence, literally step by step by step. It's a quick slideshow. Next thing, I want to give you 100 different social media posts that you can post on your Instagram and Facebook just to keep yourself active. The next thing that we have for you is something incredible that nobody else offers. This is funnel templates in order for you to convert those leads. So I want to give you a choice of over 8 different funnel templates, okay? 8 different funnel templates. So when you click this, you just click one button, it directly imports into your Go High level. Now these funnel templates are already proven to convert because they've proven to convert on all my credit repair businesses. The last thing is you can teach a man to fish. You can give a man to fish or you can teach a man to fish. So regarding these social media posts, I want to give you a quick blueprint, a quick slideshow that teach you how to create the viral posts almost every single time. So like I said, guys, if you're actually interested in this 3-step process where you gain a lot more predictability in your credit repair business's revenue, click the link down below, grab these assets. They're only $47. And I have a little training on it as well. Might take 45 minutes to watch. It's just going to teach you how to utilize all these assets the right way. And I can guarantee you guys 100% money back guarantee. I'm so confident in what I have to offer you guys that I'm giving you 100% money back guarantee. It's only $47, guys. And what I also want to include on that is if you utilize this today, I want to offer you a 2-week follow-up consultation with me, okay? With me. So that is priceless in itself. So after you implement everything, we're going to wait 2 weeks. And I'm gonna call you up. I'm gonna be like, yo, how'd it go for you? Did you start making money? And even if somehow you didn't, I'll give you the next steps. I'll make sure you're making money pretty much. This consultation, you get actual value, okay? And the only reason why we do it 2 weeks after is so we make sure you implement everything we have from these assets that we gave you. So guys, I don't make this video too long. Check out the link down below. There's 2 links down there where one, you can schedule a strategy session directly with me, so if you have any questions. Second link is to actually get these assets and get started today, guys. Get those assets, blow up your credit repair business, and start giving yourself some more predictability that your credit repair business deserves. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.